wrestling fans? Today we're going to open a pack of 2019 Topps WWE Smackdown Live wrestling cards. Here we go. Who's inside? What's inside? Who will we pull today? And we start off with Andrade. Triple H the Game cool card. Christian. The Godfather. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Cool card there of the legend. Next we have Rowdy Ronda Rousey Spotlight card. Cool card. In 20 years of SmackDown, we've got Daniel Bryan defeats Seth Rollins. So, some cool cards in here highlighted by the Stone Cold Steve Austin. If you like wrestling card packs, subscribe.